Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a unfinished house for sale. It is located at Bowers Drive, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Don't be turned off by the blue tanks in front of the house. That's because the water is temporarily disconnected. This house is a golden canvas, already laid for that house owner looking for value. With a little upgrade and continuation, this can be easily converted into one's dream home. There is an unfinished master suite with all its amenities and is situated upstairs. Downstairs have three other bedrooms with two bathrooms, living and dining areas, and a large kitchen, all to be completed by the new owner, with or without changes. This property sits on just under 1 acre of land and has potential for either an additional family cottage, farm to table opportunities with its given land size, or finally, Bowers Drive is a middle class and return residence community, making it a great place to live. Guys, let's take a look at this unfinished house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 23 million or US $149.4 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.